What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over this VapoSteam from Vicks. Okay, this is supposed to go into your humidifier, I believe, because on Amazon I put in Vicks drops for humidifier, and this is one of the ones that came on to the top. So with that being said, I bought this. It has the directions here. It says, well, let me go ahead. All right, you guys, so I got y'all here. I am just going to scroll this. There goes the directions right there, because I don't feel like editing, okay? I don't feel like editing nothing. So there y'all go. With that being said, for the directions, it says add 1 tablespoon of solution to each quart of water. Adults and children 2 years and over. It has its sayings right there. Okay, so I'll leave that alone. Be cautious when you're using this. Remember, you are putting chemicals inside of, inside of the water, and they are breathing that in as the mist goes, blah, blah, blah. So here we go right here. They don't give you a cup or nothing, so you will have to get your own little cup. It says, do not take it by mouth. Oh, this is insane. Okay, so right there, you have your warning. Do not take by mouth. Give you a very cautious sign right there. Right there. All right? So, put this in your humidifier, you guys. And that will be it. They have it nice and sealed. Other than that, if I don't get back to y'all on this video, I'll get back to y'all on another video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.